The Farnborough International Airshow has opened with defence technology dominating the agenda as global conflicts reshape aerospace priorities. Aircraft manufacturers also announced fresh commercial orders despite ongoing supply chain challenges. More in this report.
The opening day of the Farnborough Airshow highlighted growing demand for defence systems alongside major aircraft deals. Boeing announced new orders from SMBC Aviation Capital Philippine Airlines and Riyadh Air, while Airbus secured an additional order from Riyadh Air for 6 A350-1000 aircraft defence manufacturers also unveiled new interceptor missiles and drone technologies.
Farnborough is kicking off amid, of course, a really volatile environment in terms of the aviation industry, but also the global economy and geopolitics that continues to shape and have a real direct impact on airlines specifically. On the other hand, there is, of course, the defence angle, and I think this year is very much a defence show because of what's happening around the world in so many different markets. It's driven up the demand and the interest, states, private companies, and so on, to assess their defence needs.
Around half of the show's record 1,600 exhibitors are defence companies, reflecting a shift driven by conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East. Lockheed Martin introduced a lower-cost Patriot interceptor, while European missile maker MBDA presented a system designed to counter mass drone attacks. Analysts say governments are increasingly prioritising investments in air defence capabilities.
Very much about defence, and that is because aviation as a sector remains inherently exposed to just about everything, and with geopolitics shaping the operating environment in so many markets across the world, not just the obvious conflict right now in the Middle East, it is leading states to have those conversations to ensure that they have what is necessary as they future plan in terms of defence, as countries decide to increase their defence spending and then assess where that spending will be allocated.
Beyond defence, commercial aviation continues to face production delays and supply chain disruptions, prompting airlines to place orders years in advance. Industry experts also say higher fuel costs and limited supplies of sustainable aviation fuel remain key challenges as the aerospace sector pursues long-term growth and decarbonisation goals.